Most developers are building AI agents the hard way. This week's top repo gives them persistent memory in just one line. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. We're looking at a list that honestly feels like a glimpse into the next 2 years of software engineering. It's all about making AI smarter, faster, and more professional. I've been tracking these repos all day, and some of these star counts are absolutely exploding. We've got everything from stealth browsers to personal superintelligent AI. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is tinyhumansai / openhuman. It's described as your personal AI superintelligence that's private and powerful. Think of it as a local, Rust-based alternative to the big corporate models, but focused entirely on your data. It's pulling in over 1,000 stars today. Why? Because people are finally getting tired of sending their private thoughts to a cloud server. This is built for the privacy-conscious dev who still wants top-tier performance. The project is still in early beta, so expect some rough edges, but the momentum is undeniable. It's written in Rust, which means it is blazing fast and incredibly memory efficient compared to Python-heavy local AI suites. You can get started by just downloading a DMG or EXE from their site. It's actually impressive how easy they've made the setup for something this complex. If you want a private brain on your desk, this is it. Next, we have agent memory. This is huge for the AI agent community. One of the biggest pain points right now is that agents forget everything the moment you close the session. This repo solves that problem completely. It provides persistent memory for Claude Code, Cursor, and Gemini. I'm not gonna lie, once you give your agent memory, you can never go back to the standard goldfish experience. It's actually a massive productivity multiplier. The wild part? It gained over 1,000 stars in a single day. Developers are clearly hungry for agents that actually know their codebase inside and out without needing a million reprompting sessions every single morning. It's built on TypeScript, and it's designed to be a drop-in solution for any MCP client. If you're tired of re-explaining your project architecture to Cursor 3 times a day, you need to look at this. Now, let's talk about Cloak Browser. This is a stealth Chromium fork that passes every bot detection test out there. I'm talking 30 out of 30 tests passed, which is an insane benchmark for any automation tool. It's a drop-in playwright replacement with source-level fingerprint patches. Why does this matter? Because modern bot detection is getting incredibly sophisticated, and standard headless browsers just don't cut it anymore for serious scraping tasks. The repo already has over 7,000 stars, and it's currently topping the Python charts. It handles Cloudflare bypass, reCAPTCHA, and complex fingerprinting issues right out of the box. Honestly, this is a scraper's dream project. Whether you are using Python or Node, you can pull this in and start navigating the web without getting flagged. It's one of the best maintained stealth browsers I've seen in a long time. Just pure technical excellence. Moving to the networking side, we have Hysteria. This is a powerful, lightning-fast, and censorship-resistant proxy based on a customized QE protocol. It is specifically designed to perform over unreliable and lossy networks where others fail. With over 20,000 stars, this project is a heavyweight. It masquerades as standard HTTP3 traffic, which makes it nearly impossible for sensors to block it without breaking the actual internet. That is a clever bit of engineering. It supports SOCKS 5, HTTP proxy, and even a full ton mode for VPN-like behavior. The Go implementation ensures it runs basically anywhere. If you are dealing with a restricted network, this is your gold standard for circumvention. The documentation is great, and the community is huge. It's reliable, fast, and constantly being updated. It is honestly the benchmark for high-performance proxies today. If you need speed and stealth, give Hysteria a look. Okay, this next one is trending like crazy. Matt Pocock, the TypeScript wizard, just released his skills repo. This is a collection of Claude directory skills he uses for real engineering rather than just vibe coding. The repo gained nearly 4,000 stars in 24 hours. That's almost unheard of. It provides small, composable scripts that teach your AI agents how to handle GSD and spec kit workflows properly. It is actually impressive. Matt is all about ownership. These skills are designed to be adapted and hacked. They don't take control away from you. They just make the agent a better partner. It's exactly the kind of tool the community needs right now. Setup is a joke. Just run the npx command, and you're good. If you're serious about taking your AI-assisted development to the next level, I highly recommend checking out how a pro like Matt structures his agent environment. FadCam is a refreshing project on the Android side. It's an open source, ad-free multimedia recorder that handles everything from background video to live streaming. For the privacy-focused users, this is a massive win over the Play Store junk. Why? Because most recording apps are bloated with trackers and annoying ads. FadCam is part of the FadSec Lab suite, focusing entirely on clean, privacy-first applications. It even has remote camera control features. It's built with Java and modern material design, so it looks great while being functional. You get background recording and dashcam modes, which are perfect for a variety of use cases. It's pure, functional utility without the nonsense. The project is gaining steady traction among the FOSS community. If you are an Android user who values their privacy and wants a solid, reliable recording tool, this repository is definitely worth a bookmark today. Million.js just dropped React Doctor. The slogan is simple. Your agent writes bad React. This catches it. It's a CLI tool that scans your codebase and gives you a health score from 0 to 100. It's basically a linter on steroids for the AI age. It catches state issues, performance bottlenecks, and security holes that agents often miss. I'm not gonna lie, I ran it on an old project and it was brutal. The cool part, you can actually install it for your coding agent so the agent learns best practices while it works. This stops the bad code before it even gets committed. That's a huge shift in developer experience. It works with Next.js, Vite, and React Native. If you are using AI to generate UI components, you absolutely need this in your workflow to maintain any kind of code quality. It's simple, punchy, and incredibly useful. Finally, we have the legendary LLMs from Scratch by Sebastian Raschke. This repository is reaching nearly 100,000 stars. It's the companion code for the book on how to build a GPT-like model using PyTorch. If you've ever felt like LLMs are a magic black box, this is the cure. Why? Because Sebastian breaks everything down into step-by-step code and diagrams. You'll understand the inside-out mechanics of transformers by the end of it. This repo has become the gold standard for AI education. Even if you aren't planning to build the next ChatGPT, knowing how the weights and tokenization actually work makes you a much better prompt engineer and developer. The code is exceptionally clean and well documented. It's a masterclass in PyTorch and generative AI. If there's one repo you should start today just for the educational value, this is absolutely the one. That's it for today's trending list. A huge shout out and thank you to the open source contributors behind these amazing projects. You are literally building the future of our industry, and we appreciate every commit. Which of these are you going to clone first? Let me know in the comments. I'm leaning toward those Matt Pocock skills myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay ahead. See you tomorrow.